Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to manage an LG Smart TV through our smartphone using the LG ThinQ app. First of all, before we start, of course, we have to have the TV on and, super important, connected to the internet at home. It doesn't matter if it is to our router via cable or Wi-Fi. Either way works, but it has to be in the same Wi-Fi network where we have the cell phone. The next thing we have to do is download the LG ThinQ application, which is available on both Android and iOS. Now we are going to open the application and we will see the first steps. As you can see, we get a series of pop-ups. First it tells us that LG ThinQ tracks activity. Well, here we can put, for example, that it does not track if we do not want, that it wants to send us notifications. Well, let's put allow. If you don't want to allow, then don't allow. It doesn't matter, let's click on allow. We are going to give him to following, and we are going to initiate session. Now we will have to create an account or log in with a social network. It's up to you. Now, once we create the account, as you can see, different pop-up windows appear, as before, and it is important that we give it to allow. In this case, this tells us that LG ThinQ wants to search for devices on the network and connect to them. We're going to give it to allow and also use Bluetooth, so both allow. Now, once we're in the main menu of the application, which is this one we're looking at, well, we're going to click where it says add a device. We can do it with the QR code or by doing it by hand, so in this case we go down to select a device. Now it reminds us that the device is turned on, so let's hit next. As you can see, already at first, as a nearby search, I see TV, so in this case let's click up here where it says TV and let's see what happens. As you can see, has directly detected what is television. There we get a PIN code, which we have to put on the cell phone. We have to put the same one, so here we go. Now, in the next step, we will be able to log in with the account on the TV. In this case this is totally optional. I'm going to give it to skip because I don't need to and, as you can see, now the device has successfully registered. We click OK. Here it gives us a series of clues on how to use and, well, we can now start using the smartphone as a TV remote control. As you can see, on the main page of the application we have several basic things. Among them, for example, raising or lowering the volume. There you see how it is going up and down without any problem. We can also mute the TV, go to the home menu or activate the microphone. In addition, we can directly share content from our phone, whether videos or photos, to the TV. In addition, from here below, we can also access the main applications directly with these buttons. They open without any problem and we can also access the different input sources that we have connected via HDMI. In this case, as what we are interested in is to manage the TV with the smartphone, we will go to where it indicates remote control. We are going to give it to see all and, as you can see, we will open a much larger interface for the remote control. In this case, as you can see, the bottom becomes a touchpad with which we can handle the TV pointer without any problem. As well as above we get different buttons. We have the settings, the input sources, back, volume, channels. And below we also have different things, such as the typical colored buttons below, play and pause, or the number buttons. In addition, here we can also change what is the touchpad for the selection by directional arrows. Well, guys, this is as far as the video goes. As always, I hope I have helped you. If so, don't forget to leave me a nice like, which is super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell so you don't miss anything. As for me, that's all. My pleasure and until the next video.